Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on your Mac. First, download the software directly from the Blackmagic Design website. It's crucial to ensure your Mac meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for optimal performance. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This will get you ready to start your creative journey. After launching DaVinci Resolve, you'll be greeted by the Project Manager. Click on New Project to begin. Give your project a descriptive name and then set your desired project settings, such as frame rate and resolution, before clicking Create. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, which is divided into several pages like Media Pool, Cut, Edit, Color, and Deliver, each serving a specific purpose in your workflow. To bring your footage into DaVinci Resolve, simply drag your media files directly into the Media Pool, or use the File menu to import them. Once imported, drag your desired clips from the Media Pool onto the timeline in the Edit page. Here, you can perform essential editing tasks like cutting unwanted sections, trimming clip durations, and adding smooth transitions between shots to craft your narrative effectively and efficiently. Now let's enhance your visuals. Navigate to the Color page, where you can precisely adjust color, contrast, and saturation using a wide array of powerful tools and scopes to achieve your desired look. Finally, head over to the Deliver page. Select your preferred export settings, including the output format, video codec, and resolution. Click Add to render queue and then Start Render to export your polished video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.